What's up people, I'm S30BMX and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a little care package from Meguiars, who I'm affiliated by for a good few years now. So they've sent me out a little bit of a winter care package to keep the R8 maintained. So we're going to open up that box, have a look at what we've got and give the car a spruce over and then take it out for a drive and get some shots of it. So the first thing out of my nice new little winter delivery, a blue bucket. Put water and soap in. They've got a couple of colours, and we've got a yellow, a grey and now blue, so very good. To put with the bucket, we've got the Ultimate Wash and Wax Shampoo. Cleans the car, makes it safe and enhances gloss while you're doing it. So next up, all-wheel cleaner. Sorry, Ultimate all-wheel cleaner. This is probably my most favourite out of the range. It's got a little bit like the iron remover and the iron out, so it gives you that horrible smell, but gives you the purple pull of pulling all the dirt out. I probably only use a brush on my wheels every other wash maybe, because this stuff on your wheels, nice proper jet wash, jobs are good in. Next is a snow foam. Wax safe, everyone's favourite product. Makes your car look fancy while you're cleaning it, pulls all the grit off of it, ready to give it the hands-on wash. So let's stop messing around and get some of this on the car, shall we? Then, once it's clean, I normally go over it to dry it with a little bit of the Ultimate Quick Wax. Just allows it to, just gives it a little bit of a protection from the dirt and grime, and then that is how it is. Right, now she's all clean, let's get her out. Go find a nice little location to try and get a few cinematic shots. That's me done and dusted for the day after giving it the clean, getting out, having a drive and getting the cinematic shots of it. It'll probably last all of about 3 days because the amount of road salt that's on the roads right now, it ain't gonna stay clean for long. But thank you very much to all those that do like and comment on the videos, and if you've not already, please hit that subscribe button and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.